Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually confused between iPad 10th generation and Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. They are skeptical about the storage problem on iPad 10th generation. Today in this video I will talk about the 64GB version of iPad 10th generation. Out of my 64GB, only 16GB or so is available for pre-usage. As you can see here in photos, I have 14.36 GB. One of the users actually want to know how are there in storage or in photos that it took about 15 GB. So here you can see that 194 photos and 106 videos are there in my photos app. Next I have installed BGMI and you can see the size of this app is over 5 GB, actually 3.56 GB for the app size, and documents and data are there for 1.68 GB. So if you play games, too many games, or if you want to download too many apps on your iPad, then it might be a deal breaker for you because it takes a lot of data and lot of storage. You can see here also in YouTube you can see that over 4 GB is there. I use Insert app and here you can see 2 GB is occupied. Now I will show you in App Store the size of some apps. Suppose I want to download Gmail from App Store. So I will search for Gmail and the size of Gmail is actually very high. As you can see here, Gmail is here and the size of this Gmail is 558.7 MB, and after installing it you will have storage and data, so it will take up about 1.5 GB. But I have compared it with Tab S9 FE Plus and you can see here that only over 300 MB is there, and for app there is 251 MB and data is about 60 MB. So overall total 310 MB is there for Gmail. Now I will search YouTube. Actually lot of Android apps consume a lot of storage on iPad. You can see here 276.5 MB is actually the size of this app in App Store. So if you want to solve this problem, I will tell you one thing: you can buy cloud storage. Actually you can get only 5 GB of free storage with iCloud, but you can buy a package. The minimum package is 75 rupees per month, and with this 75 rupees you will get about 50 GB free storage or cloud storage. And if you want to get 200 GB, then you have to spend around 219 rupees per month, and if you want 2 TB storage, in that case you have to spend 749 rupees. This is the scenario in case of storage. If you have no burden or if you have no budget issue, then you should go for 256 GB version because 64 GB is very less in 2024. However, you can use pen drive or you can buy iCloud storage, but that options are not good enough according to me. During Big Billion Days sale you can buy this tablet well under 22 or 23,000 rupees with SBI credit card or maybe any other credit card. So stay tuned for the Big Billion Days sale and I will keep you posted about the latest deals on tablets and smartphones. Thank you very much.